welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I think this is the one for October, if I kept them straight. So, let's see here. Is this the October one? I think this is the October one. So, back in full force. Over the past few months, I've been seriously slacking as a beauty editor. I only wash my hair bi-weekly, if that. Skincare, does washing my face in the shower count? And don't tell my dentist, but I haven't flossed in weeks. I have gotten away with ignoring my regular routine because, well, there is no one to see my state of disrepair. But this month, our editors have collected some essentials for reversing all the neglect. An overnight serum for clearer skin, a scalp scrub to whisk away product buildup, and a mask for hydrating the lips you rarely see anymore. Here's to getting back to it. Okay, so the first thing in here, I believe this is full size, actually. This is the Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And given the size of that box, that's, ooh, yes. That's definitely full size. Hell yeah. Like, price, oh, it smells funky though. I hope that's just the ink on here and not the product. But, full price $42. So, more than what I paid for my subscription to this, just right there. I have been dealing with acne and uneven texture for a few months. Now, when I try a new product, it has to have exfoliating properties, anything that will unclog my pores. This serum contains salicylic and glycolic acids that help with congestion and promote cell turnover. Since I started using it, the tiny bumps I tend to get on my chin, sorry, I got distracted, and nose have gone down significantly. I've noticed fewer blackheads on my nose. On top of those two powerhouse ingredients, the serum also has vitamin C, which helps fade dark spots, and hyaluronic acid, which prevents moisture from evaporating. At night, I use a whole dropper full on my face and neck, and my skin has been looking brighter and smoother. So next thing in here, is this one? No, it's this guy. This is by Josephine Cosmetics. Eye Dazzle, the liquid metallic eyeshadow in the color Leona. Let's see it. You can only see down at the one end the color. It's like that one lippy from the Ipsy thing earlier. Well, actually on here it says it's called Meet Leona. But then on here it just says Leona, so I don't know which one's correct, but I also don't know how to wear liquid eyeshadow, so it doesn't really matter. But full price of that is $30, so we're already up to a $72 value, and we're only 2 products in. I tend to stay away from liquid eyeshadows, but I couldn't resist the temptation of this glittery rose gold Leona shade. I applied it over my entire lid after priming with concealer. Using the doe foot applicator, I swiped a bit of the shade on my eyelid before diffusing it out with a flat brush, and I repeated the process until I built the color to the right level. Pro tip, layer slowly. Then I blended a chocolate brown bronzer into the crease and outer corners and applied mascara. The finished look was a gorgeous, shimmery, smoky eye that lasted all night. While I don't think liquid eyeshadows will replace my love for powder, this product made me reevaluate my stance. That's cool. We then have a Mana Kadar Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. This is also full-sized and $22, which brings us up to a $94 value of this box so far, of which I paid $25. With the face covering mandate, my lips are starved for attention. This mask is a product that you can keep in your purse next to the hand sanitizer or in your bathroom vanity. When I applied it after my nighttime skincare routine, I woke up with smoother, more supple lips. During the day, the treatment functioned like a super hydrating gloss, and my lips went from cracked appealing to plump and cushiony in almost no time at all. That sounds wonderful. So, let's put that on the to be reviewed pile of lip products. Next, we have, and this is just like one pair of them. So this is basically a sample size, but it's by Skin Medica, and it's the Instant Bright Eye Mask. $48 for 6 sets of 2 patches. So, having one set, that's still, apparently these are pricey little guys. Since March, I've noticed my under eyes are a little more, well, noticeable. Between the lack of sleep and my coping diet, the discoloration has started to wear on my confidence. These hydrogel patches, formulated with glycerin to hydrate and antioxidant golden root extract, plump up my tired under eyes. While the dark circles aren't gone, I'd like to thank my parents for this lovely hereditary gift. The discoloration and puffiness are definitely minimized, albeit for the short term. That's cool, though. Give him a shot. And then we have, this is definitely a sample size. Full size of this is $38 fucking dollars, so yeah, I'm not buying the full size of this. But this is the Neogen Dermalogy Real Ferment Micro Essence. I'm sorry, the idea of putting fermented shit on my face is not exactly appealing, but ooh, 93% microbiome ferment complex. Micro essence for brighter, softer, and deeply hydrated skin. If it smells funky, I'm not wearing it. When you paint your nails, thin layers work best to create an even coat of color. Hold on. Sorry, it's that thing where my heart started to do weird shit, so you have to cough to, like, re-trigger that one nerve that resets it. Sorry. When you paint your nails, thin layers work best to create an even coat of color. I take the same approach to hydrating my oily skin, building up moisture with toner, essence, and moisturizer. Although this transparent fluid looks like a mini bottle of Voss water, it's spiked with rice and yeast ferments, ew, that improve the skin's microbiome. I sprinkle the essence, which has the faintest scent of sake, into my hand and pat it on my face. Then I proceed with the rest of my skincare routine. The essence helps bind all the layers of hydration together while helping my skin look healthier and more radiant. Okay, I'm still kind of grossed out by the idea, but maybe it's cool. I don't know, but I'm just iffy on that one. So this is definitely a sample size of this too, judging by the picture of the full size, but the full size is only $16, so I suppose if I like it enough, I could afford this one. Anyway, it's the Nature Lab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I hate washing my hair. When the pandemic hit, I thought, now that I'm home more, always, I'll get better about washing my hair and treating my scalp. Wrong! I only wash my hair about every 10 days. Oh my god. But I always use the scalp scrub to clear product buildup. Once you scoop out a quarter-sized amount and add water, it foams up like a dream. When you rinse, the sugar crystals dissolve. After I towel dry my hair, it feels soft, healthy, clean. The best part? I can go 2 weeks without washing my hair and still look freshly shampooed after using this stuff. It's that good. That's fucking gross, dude, but at the same time, my inner lazy girl is like, holy shit. But working outside the home, that does not sound like something I can get away with in a pandemic world, but should I have a few days off in a row anywhere, I might need to test this out just to see. Alternately, I could try it for my scalp psoriasis and see if it works on that. I don't know. And we've got a sheet mask in here. Didn't mean to knock that out too. When the Last Choice sheet mask. A biocellulose sheet mask. $5 for one. I treat myself to a home spa day at least once a week. I especially look forward to pulling a cold sheet mask out of the fridge. This one is made from coconuts. God damn it! And is soaked in hydrating serum. After I apply, I gently glide my jade roller over the mask, making sure to pat down the edges to get a good seal. 10 minutes later, I remove the mask and lightly tap in all the leftover serum until it's finally absorbed. Not only does the sheet mask make my combination skin glow, but my face looks and feels like I drank a gallon of water. Seriously, why is it always coconut? Why? Why does the universe hate me? Let's look at the ingredients. Water, butylene glycol, glycerin, dicapryl carbonate, matricaria flower water, polyacrylate 13, saccharide isomerate, grapefruit seed extract, Bambusa textilis stem extract, Pinus palustris leaf extract, caprylyl glycol, that one might be the coconut possibly, polyisobutane, ethyl hexylglycerin, alcohol, 1,2-hexanediol, polysorbate 20, sorbitane isostearate, phenoxyethanol, sodium hyaluronate, Arnica montana flower extract, Artemisia absinthium extract, Achillea millefolium extract, Gentiana lutea root extract, citric acid, sodium citrate, disodium EDTA, colloidal platinum, Panax ginseng extract, and perfume, fragrance limonene linalool. Yeah, that. Yet I don't see coconut water, coconut milk, coconut extract, so I'm like, maybe. Do I feel lucky is basically the question I ask with this one. I don't know. I don't know if I feel lucky. I'll cross that bridge another day. I'll just set this aside for now. But for right now, I'm like, given how my luck's been lately, I'm not trying it right now. Okay, so this is the last thing in here. This is a sample size of the Allure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Full size of this is $19, so that's not bad. I know damn well that this has been something that's shown up in like both the Target and Walmart beauty boxes before, so I know damn well it couldn't be too pricey for the full price. So, I have combination skin, dry around my mouth and oily everywhere else. Sounds familiar. I also get hormonal breakouts. So I was curious to see if this Allure moisturizer would live up to its 12-hour claim without making my acne worse. I applied it in the morning, forgoing serums and toner. The cream isn't heavy or thick, it has more of a whipped texture. As the day progressed, I never needed to reapply. Then I tried the cream at night. Only in my dreams would I be able to sleep for 12 hours, but when I woke up, my skin still felt hydrated, which was surprising since my AC fan combo tends to leave me feeling dry. Well, that is hopeful to think maybe it'll be one of the moisturizers that doesn't break me out. I have found some that do the thing. Ones that certain other people say broke them out, and yet my skin plays nice with them, so it's just always hard to know for sure, one way or the other, which way my skin's gonna go on, like, literally freaking anything. But we'll try it, and if it's good, apparently it's affordable, and I could totally buy the full size, although I have so many moisturizers kicking around right now from Ipsy and Allure and just different places. Don't think I need to buy any for probably a while, but I mean, if it's one that's like really good, I can make a note of it to myself that, hey, you might want to pick that one up at some point. Because it's always good to have at least one that you know plays nice with your skin, no matter what, on hand. You can mix and match others as you feel like, but it's good to have at least one fail-safe at any given time. So I guess when my Sunday Riley runs out, maybe I'll test this one out, and if it plays nice, I'll get the full size and hang on to that one as my fail-safe, because I'm definitely not paying the Sunday Riley price. That's not happening. I'm enjoying it while it lasts, and when it runs out, that's that. But anyways, that is it for this one. So you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy. Well, maybe not the Etsy. Force a habit, guys. Sorry, I know. Everything and more, it's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye.